Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Fidelity Youth account. First, understand that this account is designed for teens aged 13 to 17, allowing them to learn about investing with real money. A parent or guardian who already has a Fidelity account must approve and link it. This setup provides a safe environment for young people to gain valuable financial experience and make their own investment decisions, fostering early financial literacy. To start, navigate to the Fidelity website or app and locate the Youth Account section to begin the online application. You'll need to provide personal details for both the teen and the parent or guardian, including names, addresses, and social security numbers. The process also involves linking an existing bank account, which makes funding the youth account and withdrawing money straightforward and convenient. Once your account is open, you can easily fund it using electronic transfers from your linked bank account. Teens then have the opportunity to invest in a variety of options, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and Fidelity mutual funds. The platform also offers extensive educational resources and tools, helping young investors understand market dynamics and make informed decisions as they build their financial knowledge. Managing the youth account effectively involves regularly reviewing investments and discussing their performance with your teen. Encourage consistent contributions, even small amounts, to foster long-term growth habits and demonstrate the power of compounding. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. This ongoing engagement helps teens develop strong financial discipline and confidence for their future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.